Alright, 60 degrees indicated in the garage here. Car's been running for about 5 minutes. That's what you hear, right around between 2,000 and 3,000 RPMs on a cold start for the first 10 minutes or so on my way to work. Just knocks like that. So, yeah, I'm sure it's piston slap. Just don't know why on this short block here. It only has about 1,500 miles on it, if that. And yeah, started around 500 miles, started making noise. Around 500 miles I noticed a slight piston slap, and it's gotten progressively worse. Yep, that's about all there is to show.